Have you seen the difference?
Yeah.
Before it was really dark, right?
Yes.
So ngayon, sobrang pagod sa Indemirian. So, kailangan ko lang. What do you want for breakfast? You want? Gusto niya scrambled egg. Gusto niya scrambled egg. So mag-scrambled ako. Wala sa plano pero ayaw ko sana. Nagtanong ka kasi. So kaya yun. Nagtanong ka. So kaya yun. Maka-scrambled ka tuloy. Isip ko ayaw kong magtanong. Batil-batil ng itlog. Tanong pa more. Tanong pa more. Get your cheese. Tanong pa more. Lagi. Nakaigit. Nakaigit si Indemirian na nakapagluto tuloy na wala sa plano. No? Ay. So magluto na naman tayo. Pagluto na to, mister. So ang sa akin naman hindi ko alam. I need a thing.
What thing?
I can't talk, mga darling. I want to eat the French toast. My hala. Yeah. And I need 1 egg. I forgot. I just decided now.
Give me a glass dish.
A glass dish. Your son, ba? Why your son is always wanna be like that?
He wants something. He always wants something.
Ay.
What? You already had his breakfast. You got some pancakes.
I only used 2 eggs for you, Han. Do you have extra? Do you have extra egg? dalawa lang daw yung itlog niya, mga darling. Oy. Wala nang extra. Oy, binuwang mga Indemirian. I need an onion too. I'm not complete, honey. And if we have bell pepper over there, take it out. That baby bell pepper. For flavoring. Okay, lutuan ko lang, Mr. Bana. There's no more bell pepper?
There is.
Why, you don't want it?
No, that's fine.
Ayaw niya yung bell pepper.
Should I put you coffee?
And you can do it now, it's okay. Thank you. Kikitams talaga. Kikitams. Hi, little boy. You're using my shoulder as your scapegoat. Scapegoat. Hi. Smell it. You will be like crying, little boy. And maybe look at his eyes, honey. It's gonna affect him, love. Anyway. Ay, ginoo ko. Ito mga Pinoy, no? Sobrang ano talaga natin sipag. You know, basta Pinoy, masipag. Adoy. Basta Pinoy, masipag. Pag sa kahit anong larang ng katayuan ng buhay, di ba? Sa kahit anumang katayuan ng buhay, masipag talaga ang mga Pinoy. No? Sa kahit anong bagay, masipag. May mga masipag kumain. katulad sa akin. Masipag, mga labs. So, yun lang yun, Habang nagluluto tayo sa itlog ni Mister, magluto din ako ng aking. Oh, she's not eating, Han?
No, she picked all the chicken out and she left them.
Come on, finish your din. Hurry up.
Hiding under the table so she comes to me a little bit.
Hurry up. Finish it. Come on, be a good girl. Spoiled, Han. Sarap. May gulay. Good morning. Good morning, maulan. Maulan na aga. Rainy morning. Hi. Look at me, I'm wearing sleeveless. With my armpits now. Look, I can show you my armpits now. I can show my husband my armpit. It's lightened a little bit like. You see the difference? Hello, Roxy. Uy.
What's your big wiggly tail?
Have you seen the difference?
Yeah.
Before it was really dark, right?
Yes.
What the heck?
She said, but I'm your daughter. I can do what I want.
I love
Because I'm special. She does okay. I can kiss her, make it better. I can kiss her, make everything better.
Oh,
My
foggy.
big girl. My big girl.
What do you want for breakfast?
My big girl. Let's see right now.
Sure.
Yeah.
What's wrong with you, Roxy? Dada loves you so
She said,
much.
attention. I want attention.
Hello, dear.
Yep.
Hold on. See. Oh, poor dear.
Shouldn't point it out.
Go, Misty. It's foggy
Here,
up
bunny
there.
rabbit,
mga
you
loves.
leave them alone.
Foggy and rainy day. So thank goodness I cut the grass.
You walk up to them nice and quiet. Maybe they come and be friends with you. But no, you gotta run and yell at them, and then they get scared.
Yeah.
How you gonna make friends that way? No, now she's not. She's not.
No. So ngayon, umaga na, meron tayong putumaya, naluto ko siya kagabi. Hindi na ako nakapag-film kasi natapos siya almost 11 o'clock at napagod po ako. So, yung ating putumaya, ininit ko lang siya dito mga loves. So, ininit ko siya dito sa ating steamer. And yun, meron tayo dito, ilaunod natin dito yung ating kokwa. Kuha tayo ng diwan sa naman. Ito ba pangalan ito? Chocolate. No, chocolate siya. Andito pa si Tamimo. Ay, mamaya na daw siya alis. So, andito pa siya. So what do you want to bring, Han? Even 15 already. 11 to 5. Oh my God! Dami! Pats 11. Nakatamingi mo yun. Ay, 2. I like your hair like that.
Not combed.
No, it's combed. But it's like this. It's like it. I like it. Cory.
Yeah.
Cory Kong.
Cory Kong.
I wash it. It's dry already.
Couple waters in here already.
Here. I love you. You're my baby boy. You are my little man. My little man. Okay. What is it? Hey, close this, huh? I don't want people keep saying that. Bawal. I love you. Uy. Bye, love. Be careful, huh? It's wet. Bye. Nag-defrost ako ng steak para sa aking asawa. Pero sabi niya, hindi ako kakain ng steak, blah blah blah. So ngayon gusto ko burger. So nag-request pa talaga. Ayaw niya ng steak, pero burger yung gusto niya. So ngayon, nagpunta ako sa basement para kuhanan siya ng burger. Wala man siya dito, mga loves. Trabaho siya, pero just in case na yung parang gusto niya magsima-sima. Magsima-sima, no? So kaya yun. So kinuhanan ko na siya ng burger. Ito yung mga ginawa naming burger. So So, yun yung kakainin niya kung gusto niyang kumain. Pero gusto ko itong lutuin. Alam niyo, ang sakit-sakit talaga ng dito ko, oh. Saka ka-cellphone nata ito, mga loves. But anyway, so i-relax ko muna itong aking mata. At yung steak, na-defrost ko na siya, mga loves. Masayang naman yun, eh. So, I guess, lulutuin ko din siya kasi na-defrost na. So, yun yung gawin ko ngayon. Pero bago niyan, punta tayo sa labas at linisin natin yung grill. Yun. Ang burger ni Tamimoy. Ang request ni Tami, wag ko daw i-overcook yung kanyang burger. Aray, init. Ang init. Sabi niya sa akin ay wag ko daw i-overcook kasi gusto niyang i-ano niya. Yung i-microwave niya. Kasi hindi niya gusto yung overcook, mga loves. Ayaw ni Mister. Hala. Yun lang yung nagpapasaya sa asawa ko, mga loves. Burger, hotdog. Very simple lang talaga siya. So kaya kung ano yung mabigas niya na gusto kong lutuin, gagawin ko talaga kung kaya. Kasi yun yung simple lang naman talaga yung kaligayahan din niya. Hindi naman siya mahirap pasayahin yung asawa ko. Masaya yan siya sa mga ganitong pagkain. Masaya talaga siya. So kaya gagawin ko talaga yung mga makakaya ko. Dumidilim na ang panahon. Parang uulan na. Ang itim na ng panahon. So yun, mga labs. Ulan na. Nag-ulan. So yan. Lumalakas na yung ulan. Patay. Tignan niyo yung buki rin doon. Nag-ulan na, mga labs. And then nag-grill pa tayo. Diba? So, bago po ako magpahinga, mga labs, kasi nga sobrang sakit ng ulo ko, connection siya sa mata ko, ginagawa ko lang yung mga request ni Mister para pag uwi niya mamayang gabi na late na, meron siyang makain, no, kung gusto niya magsima-sima. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, mga darling. Bye!